I'm just gonna sit here and sleep.
Yeah, well, that's what we just did.
She got huge tits! Tits! They're huge! She got huge tits!
I was gonna say we went a long time. Oh. My bad. Alright. So like you're singing My Girl. My girl. My girl. Talking about
My girl! I'd get you say what can make me feel this way. My girl, talking about my girl, my girl.
New song.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. I guess you'd say what can make me feel this way. My girl,
Wait.
my girl, talking about nothing. My girl.
I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. Step back from all the lies that you've been living in. And if you could never see me again, I would understand. Take it away.
And the angry president too insane. I've seen over you would know. Have you lost yourself? I've been patiently waiting. My indicator light is flashing off, flashing off, flashing off. Oh my god, that's my favorite song. Oh my god, I hate you.
What are we doing? Oh, I thought we were taking a picture.
No, I just put it on video because huge. It's huge. Huge. Yo, cuz.
Shut up, cunt.
Cousin. You dumb cunt.
Dumb cunt.
Oh. I've been waiting. My indicator light flashing on. Have you lost your chance?
Hi, Cassie.
Hello, Katie.
You want to get a little bit closer to my face?
Oh
my god.
Elbow.
Ow.
Okay.
Hi, Cassie.
Hi, how's it going? You say get a little bit closer. I think this is as close as I can get. You guys could have been stuck together as like babies.
Don't be jealous. There's a piece of Cassie for everyone.
Oh yeah.